Okay. Okay, Saint, you just go with me to the middle. Yeah. Sure. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I mean, I can probably take 2 gates at a time if I'm lucky. Yeah, just do bottom. Yeah, do it. There we go. Okay, everything's down up here. Reload! I wish I could record your audio as well. Okay, Minotaur incoming. It's fine. I wish I could, because that makes it a bit more fun. Yeah, maybe there's a way around it I found, but I'll have to check that later. Grenades and melees are allowed. He meant Sunsinger. Yeah. Ills. Come on. You can also use synths. Yeah, no synths allowed. Yeah. No ammo at all, besides that. Shit, I have a problem. I have a big problem. No ammo, no ammo. Oh, I got it, I got it. Ooh. Invective, it takes 4 for me. Yeah. When done properly. I've got 2 hops. Yeah. I remember Dado doing it. That was fun. Oh god. Now I have 12 bullets. Yeah. Oh. Rip the dream. You can get modes of light for that. Exactly. Yeah. I also get Jack. No, you don't die. Hey boys. I'm going the fun way. I mean, this is only the Spire. This shouldn't be tough. We can 3-man it. One for each side. Oracles might be a bit tougher. They take 3 or 4, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, we could also do sniper rifles only at one point. Ooh, sounds fun. Exotic Kvastov runs. Gonna be good. Okay, are we ready? Goodbye. I'm going right side and mid. Yeah, I know. But I'm going right side mid. Oh. Nice. Ace Hawk. Mid side. Mid. Oh, whoa, hello. Tell me if you need help with anything. I'll be there. Aye, Captain. Because it doesn't spawn in here. Yeah, it doesn't help using the glimmer things in here. Nope, denied. Heavy Knight. Oh. Provocation. Oh god, Fanatic. Oh, and we also have to kill the Fanatics, just so you know. Yeah, I need ammo as well. Bubble up. It's weapons. Yeah, it is. More damage. Hello. Now the fun begins. Let's get to killing. No, no, no. There's a long time until we get the oracles. Okay, I'm marked. And I'm down. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my universal remote and my shotgun. Space magic. Yeah, just die. It's that time. Yeah, it is. When is our friend coming back? We need a friend. She? Oh, okay. Okay. I thought it was a man. I didn't hear any voice, so never. Nope. You need a doctrine of passing is what you need. Luckily I have the adept and the regular version. No, it's not that good anymore. Sadly. Yeah, I don't see it used too often, though. No. I mean, I use Harrowed Defiance of Yasmin. That's pretty good. Yay! But why hate weapons when you're... I don't understand why. It is... nah. Maybe in year 1 it was... No, the accuracy is pretty bad on hand cannons nowadays. And accuracy. I mean, we can go down again if you want. I have got more ammo now, so I'm ready to kill. Yeah, that's why nobody uses it. Yeah. Let's do it. Is everybody ready? I'm gonna switch to blessings. Sichuan. Mom! Mom! I have the bandwidth, Mom. Mom! My boyfriend's here! Stop it, Mom! Mom, I can't be together with my friends. Honey, what? Nice. Do you want her? Huh? Mother? Huh? See if you can go anywhere now. Okay. Get in your Kona. Oh, the things we've done in the vault. No one will ever hear. That's true. Exactly. Ooh, nice. But not nice. It's dressy. Hello. Shotguns only. Bolts of glass. Fun times. Sort of. We're at the Templar's will, at least. Ooh. How are we gonna shoot him? With shotguns. Hey. Don't worry, it's not impossible. I've done it. You can only use grenades, melees and shotguns, and defensive supers. Tether, sun, or self-res, and bubbles. Mwahaha! The Templar. He can eat it. I've got all I need now. Yeah, do it. You know it's remote. Oh god. Dirk, dirk, dirk. Nade out. Don't worry, I'll take care of us. I gotcha. Yeah. I got you guys. Don't worry, you don't need to do anything. You can just stay up there. I'll get it. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm just taking care of everything that's coming through mid. Well, out of primary, switching to special. I have primary again. Nice. And I have my melee again. Nope. Same. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. You're good. Okay. Fair enough. Nope, 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 nope. Going away. Ba, ba, ba. I got you, Hulk. I gotcha. Okay, I don't have that much. Okay, okay. Oh, legions, legions. There's blessing in the back. Yeah, boy, Titan. Okay, 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 okay. The pool is gone. Where's the pool? I need the pool right now. Goo all around. Pool. Thank you, pool. Cleansed. Oh. There's a lot of special here. I have so much at the moment. Yeah, it's one of my guys. We got this. I mean, I think we can 3-man this, to be honest. If you guys just stay mid, if you stay up there.
Guardian down.
Didn't you have your